So good morning to all. So in last class we discussed about the preparation methods, two preparation methods. So first one is from alkene, how to prepare alcohol. Next one hydroboration and oxidation. So remaining preparation methods now we discuss. Okay. So in the case of these preparation methods, so in the case of these preparation methods, now we can follow the some basic properties. So next preparation method, that is third one. By the reduction of preparation methods, third one, by the reduction of carbonyl compounds. By the reduction of carbonyl compounds. That means, so by using the carbonyl compounds, we can prepare the alcohol. First we discuss about the reduction. What is the meaning of reduction? What are the compounds of carbonyl compounds? First we discuss. Okay. So first of all, reduction, oxidation and reduction. So generally we learn in lower sections and also first PUC. So we know this one. So first oxidation. So what is the definition of oxidation? First letter O, that's why addition of oxygen. So oxygen is added, that process is called oxidation. So next, removal of hydrogen. Suppose if you remove hydrogen, that process is also called as oxidation. So next one, so some other definitions is also there for oxidation, increasing the oxidation number. Oxidation state or oxidation state will be increases. These definitions generally we are used for oxidation process. So addition of oxygen is also called as oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is also called as oxidation. Oxidation state will be increases, that is also oxidation process. So similarly, reduction. What about reduction? Opposite. Reduction means this is add of oxygen, that is removal of oxygen. So next, here removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen. Second definition, addition of hydrogen. Oxidation state will be decreases. So these are the definition of reduction, basic points. Oxidation, reduction. So by the reduction of, here in this heading we are using the reduction. Reduction means, so removal of oxygen definition we will use, addition of hydrogen definition we will use. Mostly we can use this one, addition of hydrogen. So suppose if you added one hydrogen to the any one of the reactant, that process is called reduction. Okay, of carbonyl compounds. What are the carbonyl compounds? Carbonyl compounds, generally it is taken as aldehydes or ketones are taken as carbonyl compounds. What is this one? Aldehydes. What is the general formula of aldehyde? R bond CHO. Already you know in first PUC. Aldehyde. What is the open structure? R bond C, double bond O, bond H. This is the open structure of aldehyde. What is the, suppose R is equal to hydrogen and alkyl group. So what is the first compound in aldehyde? So H C double bond O bond H. Instead of R we are taking hydrogen. This is called formaldehyde. What is this name? Formaldehyde. Suppose instead of R, suppose if we take CH3, C double bond O bond H, that is taken as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Like that. So not only aldehyde, ketones is also taken as carbonyl compounds. Ketones is also taken as carbonyl compounds. So ketones. So carbonyl compounds means ketones is also taken as carbonyl compound. So ketones means what is the general formula? R bond C double bond O bond R dash. These two alkyl groups may be same or different. That's why we are taken as R dash. What is the first compound in ketone? So ketone, instead of R we are taken as CH3 double bond O bond CH. This is the acetone molecule. What is this name? Acetone. So according to heading, by the reduction of carbonyl compounds, what are the carbonyl compounds? Aldehydes reduction ಮಾಡಿದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಕಹಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ಸ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಕಹಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is the meaning by the reduction of carbonyl compound. Now we know the reduction meaning, addition of hydrogen. Carbonyl compounds meaning aldehydes or ketones. Next, important, basics. These are all basic points. So in organic chemistry, so reduction means we are added hydrogen atom, not hydrogen molecule. Yes or no? So according to definition of reduction, we are added hydrogen atom. So but hydrogen atom is not available in atmospheric condition. But H2 gas molecule is available, but atom is not available. So that's why in organic chemistry, reduction reactions are takes place in the presence of reducing agents. Not only in this topic, throughout organic chemistry, wherever we can go to, we will go to the reduction reaction. Must and should we can use reducing agents. Reducing agents. In organic chemistry, simply in organic chemistry. So reduction reactions are takes place. Reduction reactions are takes place in the presence of reducing agents. Okay, are understood? Reduction means we can use this definition. Hydrogen atom we are added, but a hydrogen atom is unstable at atmospheric condition. So that's why hydrogen atom is released by some chemicals. That chemicals are generally taken as reducing agent. What are the reducing agents? Reducing agents. So here different types of reducing agents are there. So first one, reducing agents. H2 hydrogen gas is added in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium, any one of the metal. Nickel hydrogen, we can get the hydrogen atom. Platinum hydrogen, we can get a hydrogen atom. Palladium hydrogen gas, we can get the hydrogen atoms added. So this chemical combination releases the hydrogen atom. That's why it is called reducing agent. Next, another one, LiAlHe4. So what is the name of this compound? Very important. Li, lithium. Al, aluminium. H4, hydride. lithium aluminum hydride. It is also releases hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom. Okay. Next, third one. Sodium ethyl alcohol. Sodium metal ethyl alcohol, take some amount of ethyl alcohol, small piece of sodium is added, so hydrogen atoms will be releases. That's why it is taken as a reducing agent. Next, fourth one, NaBH4. NaBH4. This chemical is also releases hydrogen atom. So that means, what is this name? Sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. So this is the sodium borohydride. This is taken as example for reducing agent. What are the reducing agent? Hydrogen, nickel, platinum, palladium. Next, LiAlHe4, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium ethyl alcohol. Sodium ethyl alcohol. Next, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. These are the example for reducing agents. These are all chemicals ready to release hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this is the basic information. These are all basic information, not a main reaction. If you understand these are all points, very easy to understand that main reaction. Okay, so next, now we will go to the main reaction. Now we will go to the main reaction. So in this case, so first reaction. So in third reaction, first one we will explain. So first, a reaction. Aldehydes are reduced to alcohol. First we will write the statement. Aldehydes are reduced to alcohol. Alcohol by the addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. Nickel or platinum or palladium. So this is the general statement. So aldehydes are reduced to alcohol. That means alcohol is a product. So alcohol by the addition of hydrogen. We are added hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. So hydrogen, nickel, this is the act as reducing agent. Just now we discussed. That's why general reaction. So what is the general formula for aldehyde? R bond C, double bond O, bond hydrogen. Aldehyde general formula. Okay, it is just we are added hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. So in this case we can get the product. Simple. How to write the product? Simple. This pi bond will be removed. So here two hydrogen. One hydrogen atom is attached to carbon. Another hydrogen atom is attached to oxygen. So then we can get product R bond C, as it is hydrogen atom, as it is oxygen atom is there. So here pi bond is removed. So here one hydrogen atom. So carbon is also attached to one hydrogen atom. We can get, so this is nothing but R bond CH2, two hydrogens bond OH. This is the general reaction. This is aldehyde. This is alcohol. So This is the general reaction. So example, for this aldehyde, any one of the aldehyde we are taking. So what is the example for aldehyde? So instead of R, we are taken as CH3. Before only we discussed aldehyde, formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, like that different aldehydes are there. So complete information about aldehyde we learn in aldehyde lesson. Next lesson is aldehyde. We learn completely there. So here we are taking examples. So acetaldehyde. What is the name of this one? Previously we discussed this one. So here CH3, CHO. What is the name? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Suppose if we take hydrogen, that is taken as formaldehyde. So okay. So first we will write the statement. Acetaldehyde is reduced to ethyl alcohol by the addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. The same statement. If you know the equation, very easy to write the statement. So first we can write the statement. Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is reduced to ethyl alcohol by the addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. This one. Okay, this is the statement. So now we will write the reaction. Okay, so acetaldehyde. What is the formula for acetaldehyde? CH3, CHO, open structure C double bond O bond H. It is interact with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. So how to write the product? Just you remove the pi bond. This pi bond will be removed. One hydrogen atom is attached to oxygen, another hydrogen atom is attached to carbon. What we can get? CH3, CH2, OH. So this is the reaction. So in this reaction, this is the acetaldehyde. This is ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. So in the case of this is the reaction for the example. Okay, acetaldehyde is reduced. Simply you remember reduction. Reduction means we are using reducing agents. In this case we are using reducing agent nickel, platinum, palladium, hydrogen. Okay, so next similarly ketones is also undergoes reduction. So next B reaction. What is the statement? Ketones are reduced to alcohol. Ketones are reduced to alcohol by the addition of hydrogen. In the presence of same nickel or platinum or palladium. So as a catalyst, nickel, platinum, palladium generally as a catalyst. Easy to understand. So what is the ketone general formula? Just now we discussed. What is the ketone? This is the ketone general formula. R bond C double bond O or dash. Ketone general formula. Example acetone. So now we discuss about the reaction. So in the case of this reaction, what is the reaction? So ketone general formula R bond C double bond O bond R dash. These are no ketone. So it is added hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. So in this case, same procedure. If you want correct product, just you remove the pi bond. This pi bond will be removed. One hydrogen atom is attached to oxygen. Here another hydrogen atom is attached to carbon. What is the main product? R bond C bond OH, bond CH, bond R dash. So this is the alcohol molecule. This is alcohol molecule. What type of alcohol? So this is primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. This is alcohol. In that alcohol, what type of alcohol? Secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. So already we discussed it in first classification of alcohol. OH group attached carbon having two alkyl group, that is secondary alcohol. This is ketone, general formula. So this is the general reaction of ketone. Easy to remember, don't by heart that one. Just pi bond is removed, two hydrogen atoms are attached, we can get alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. Suppose for example, what is the example? Directly we can write example without statement, easy to understand. Suppose what is the ketone? First compound acetone we are taking. So acetone, CH3, bond C double bond O, bond CH3. What is this name? Acetone. React with hydrogen in presence of nickel, platinum, palladium. What is the product? How to write that product? So just you remove this pi bond. So we can get CH3, bond C, bond OH, CH, CH3. We can get this compound. Okay. So what is the name of this compound? So common name. In the case of common system, OH group attached carbon having two alkyl groups. So what is the pronunciation? Iso. 3 carbons, propyl, isopropyl alcohol. What is that name? Isopropyl alcohol. So ketones is also reduced to ketones, reduced to alcohol by the addition of same hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum, palladium as a catalyst. Okay, this is the third reaction by the reduction of carbonyl compounds. Next, one more reaction here also. So in the case of reducing agent, another type of reducing agents is also there. Yes or no? What are those? Already we discussed. Reducing agents are commonly we are used 4 types of reducing agents. What are those? Hydrogen, nickel, platinum, LiAlHe4. Okay, LiAlHe4. Next, sodium, ethyl alcohol, NaBHE4. So these are the generally commonly we are used reducing agent. Now we discuss about the reaction with nickel hydrogen. Remaining now we discuss same. Aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol. Aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol by using reducing agents like sodium ethyl alcohol or ORR, LiAlHe4 or ORR, NaBHE4. That means if you take any one of the reagent, we can get the same product. That's why we can write directly. Aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohol by using reducing agents like sodium ethyl alcohol, one type of reducing agent. We can get same product. LiAlHe4 reducing agent if you use, we can get same product. NaBHE4 sodium borohydride. This is also gives same product. That's why we can write this one. So in this case, now we can write aldehyde. What is the general formula of aldehyde? R bond C, double bond O, bond hydrogen. This is the aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde. aldehydes undergoes reduction in the presence of these three, any one of the reducing agent, this one, or LiAlHe4 or NaBHe4. These three chemical composition, LiAlHe4 or sodium ethyl alcohol or NaBH4, releases hydrogen atoms. That is called nascent hydrogen atom. It is called nascent hydrogen atom. It is represented by big bracket. Big bracket means hydrogen atom, not molecule. Hydrogen atom, same principle. So here this pi bond will be removed. Here one hydrogen atom, here one hydrogen atom is attached. How many we can get product? R bond C H, already hydrogen is there, bond O H. We can get this product. Here how many hydrogen atoms are required? So this is the molecule. So it is also taken as R bond CH2 bond alcohol. What is this one? Alcohol. What type of alcohol? Primary alcohol. So this is the reaction of aldehydes. Aldehyde reaction, simple, very easy to understand that reaction. This pi bond will be removed, two hydrogen atoms are attached. We can get this one. So similarly, suppose if you want example, same acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde is reduced to ethyl alcohol by using reducing agent, agents like sodium ethyl alcohol or LiAlHe4 or NaBH4. This is the general statement. So what is the reaction? Acetaldehyde, it is converted to ethyl alcohol. What is the acetaldehyde formula? CH3 bond CHO, open structure, CH3 C double bond O bond H, plus we are added, so same sodium ethyl alcohol LiAlHe4 or NaBH4. So this is the C2H5OH. So here how many nascent hydrogen atoms are released? 2 hydrogen atoms. Here pi bond will be removed. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. What is the final product? So here CH3 bond C bond OH bond CH bond H already is there. So that we can get the, what is this, the final CH3 bond CH2OH. This is the ethyl alcohol. Yes or no? So this is acetaldehyde molecule. So this is the reaction of acetaldehyde. So simple reactions are there. So similarly, suppose these reducing agents are used for ketone, what type of product we can get? We can get alcohol, secondary alcohol. Same principle. Pi bond will be removed, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached, we can get the alcohol. That means, okay, so this is the fourth reaction A. Next to B. In fourth reaction B. So what is that one? So now we discuss ketones. So statement, general statement. Ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol by using reducing agents, same like reducing agents like sodium, ethyl alcohol, or LiAlHe4 or NaBH4. So what is the reaction? So in the case of that reaction, so we are taking ketone, it is converted to secondary alcohol. How it is possible? Now we discuss. What is the ketone general formula? Same principle. Ketone so undergoes reduction by using same sodium, ethyl alcohol, LiAlHe4 or NaBH4. In these three reducing agents, any one of the R, we are using R. Okay, so how many hydrogen atoms are used? 2 hydrogen atoms. So how it is possible? This pi bond will be removed, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached. R bond C, bond R dashed, here bond OH, here CH. So this is the final product. This is the secondary alcohol. Already we discussed it in introduction. So OH group attached to carbon having 2 alkyl group. That's why it is secondary alcohol. So this is the reaction of ketone. Ketone reaction. This is ketone. Okay. Directly we can write example. So in this ketone, what is the example for ketone? So that is acetone. Acetone formula CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3. We are using same sodium, ethyl alcohol or LiAlHe4 or NaBH4. So in this case, this one is acetone. So in this case, we are using CH3. This pi bond will be removed. CH, OH, bond CH3. This is same isopropyl alcohol. What is this name? Isopropyl alcohol. So this is the acetone reaction. So very easy to remember, very easy to write these reactions. So you think about the logic. If you follow that logic, very easy to write these reactions. So this is the fourth reaction. So third reaction, similarly, nickel hydrogen. So in fourth reaction, remaining other reducing agent. Next, fifth reaction. In the case of this fifth reaction, so we will go to next fifth one. So fifth one. So by the reduction of carboxylic acids, by the reduction of carboxylic acids, by the reduction of carboxylic acids, so now we will reduction to the carboxylic acid. What is the carboxylic acid functional group? Basic point R bond C double bond O bond OH. Yes or no? So carboxylic acid. So what is the best compound? Suppose instead of R, suppose if we take CH3 COOH, acetic acid. What is this name? Acetic acid. Already you know. carboxylic acid. Now this type of compounds, now we can reduce. What type of compounds we can get? Alcohol is formed as a product. So the simple reaction, first we can write the statement. So in the case of statement, so carboxylic acids, so carboxylic acids are reduced to carboxylic acids are reduced to primary alcohol by using strong reducing agent like only LiAlH4 on hydrolysis. Okay, so in this case, so LiAlH4 only we can use for reduction of carboxylic acids. So sodium ethyl alcohol and NaBH4, some other reducing agents are not worked in the case of carboxylic acids. So if you want to reduce carboxylic acid, we can use a strong reducing agent, that is only LiAlH4 only. So that's why based on this one, now we will write the reaction, general reaction. What is the carboxylic acid general formula? Already we know R bond C, double bond O, bond OH. This is carboxylic acid. So undergoes reduction in the presence of LiAlH4. So this LiAlH4 releases hydrogen atoms, that is nascent hydrogen atoms. So in the case of aldehyde ketone, just you remove the pi bond, just we are added the 2 hydrogen atom. But in the case of carboxylic acid, complete we can remove the oxygen atom. Removal of oxygen is also taken as reduction. That's why we discussed in firstly reduction definition. Okay, reduction definition means removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen atom. Okay, in the case of carboxylic acid, we can use removal of oxygen definition. This oxygen completely removed. These 2 bonds are filled with 2 hydrogen atoms. The removal oxygen is removed in the form of water, H2O. So in this case, so what is the product? R bond C. This oxygen atom is completely removed. 2 hydrogen atoms are attached, CH2 bond OH. The removal oxygen in the form of water. So in water, 2 hydrogen atoms are required. In the formation of primary alcohol, 2 hydrogen atoms are required. Total how many hydrogen atoms? 4 hydrogen atoms are required. So this is primary alcohol. So this is the reaction for carboxylic acid. So next, so what is the example for carboxylic acid? Example for this one. So in the case of example, acetic acid, first we can write the statement. Acetic acid is reduced. Acetic acid is reduced to, so ethyl alcohol by using strong reducing by using strong reducing agent like LiAl He4 on hydrolysis. On hydrolysis, that's why here is we are using He2O. Okay, so on hydrolysis, this one. So in the case of this one, acetic acid, what is the formula for acetic acid? CH3 bond C double bond O bond OH. We are using LiAl He4 undergoes hydrolysis. Same. So here one pi bond will be removed. On oxygen completely removed. CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. This name is taken as ethyl alcohol plus water. So this is acetic acid. So in the case of this acetic acid, this is the reaction. Very easy to understand. Very easy to understand. So acetic acid formula CH3COOH. COOH, it will be right in open structure C double bond O bond OH. So LiAlH4 water, we are taken as ethyl alcohol plus water in this case. So in the case of carboxylic acid, we are used only one type of strong reducing agent, that is LiAlH4 only. H4 only. So this is the reduction of carboxylic acid, fifth reaction. So next we will go to the next one more reaction for reduction, that is by the reduction of esters. By the reduction of esters. So in the case of ester, first of all, what is the general formula of ester? Ester. So directly we are taking only one reaction. So in the case of ester, now we can write the statement. Now we can write the statement. Next, what is the by the reduction of ester, by the reduction of esters. In the case of ester reduction, ester means, what is the meaning of ester general formula? R bond C double bond O R dash. This is the ester general formula. Carboxylic acid COOH. Okay, this is ester. This is ester. Suppose if you remove oxygen, this is equal to ketone. R bond C double bond O R dash ketone. If you added O R dash, that is the esters. So esters are undergoes reduction. We can get the alcohol, primary alcohol mixture we can get. Alcohol mixture we can get. So directly we can write the statement. So methyl ethanoate. Ester, IUPAC name, alkyl alkanoate. First alkyl pronunciation, next alkanoate. So that's why first we are taken as methyl ethanoate. This one is statement. Methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate is reduced to mixture of ethyl and ethyl alcohol and methyl alcohol and methyl alcohol in the presence of LiAlH4 on hydrolysis. This one. This is the statement of this reaction. Now we will go to the reaction. Reaction. So in the case of this reaction, first we can write the methyl ethanoate. What is the structure? Methyl, here CH3 group. So CH3 bond C, double bond O, CH3. Methyl ethanoate. This is the methyl group. 2 carbons, ethanoate. This is methyl, 1 carbon, methyl. Ethanoate, alkanoate. 2 carbon, remaining 2 carbons. That's why, what is this name? Methyl ethanoate. So methyl ethanoate undergoes reduction. That means in the presence of only LiAl He4 undergoes hydrolysis. So here we can get